Hi, if you're looking for a simple solution that helps manage queues, then VersionX token management system is for you. First, let's understand the different components of VersionX token management system. Token generation device, Android tablet with touchscreen, token slip, printed on thermal printer, token announcement and display, shown on smart TV with sound, counter operator interface, via app or browser to invite the next person in queue, mini server for storing data. Data can also be installed in existing client PC, admin console to configure the system and counters, view reports and manage tokens. Now let's get an overview of how it works. The customer arrives and selects the department from the token generation screen. The system prints the token slip for the customer. If you're looking for a paperless option, then the token can be sent as an SMS to the customer. In this case, the customer's mobile number and name needs to be taken at the token generation screen. While the customer waits for her turn, she can view the token numbers being displayed and called out for each department on the TV screen. The system audio announces the token number and makes an alert sound every time the next token number is called out by the counter operators.
Token number 28.
Let us see how the counter staff or representative can call customers. Each counter is provided with an interface app, Android, iOS and browser based. The staff has to just press next to invite the next customer in the queue to the counter. The system automatically manages the queues for each department. The staff can skip a token number if the customer does not show up at the counter. The staff can also add the skip token number back to the queue at a desired location if the customer turns up. The customer need not start from the end of the queue all over again. This helps manage such skipped cases properly, with the business having full control over the process. Now let's see how the admin console works. Here you can add departments and counters. You can view the time taken to serve your customers, and if there is a long wait time, then management can plan how to reduce it. You can view a comprehensive set of logs and reports. You can manage skip tokens and move the order of the queue as needed. You can also view the department-wise queue status. Servicing customers on a first-come, first-served basis leads to mismanagement and negative customer experience. VersionX token management system is built to provide your customers with great experience where each person is relaxed and does not have to worry about their turn. They feel well received and served.